Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Business Mindset. We're always looking forward to making money, and surely, who doesn't want to be rich? Well, the trick is getting started. No matter how little money you make, once you begin, you're already halfway there. Turns out there are tons of ways to make extra money sharing your opinion with brands. These apps facilitate those surveys and other offers. It's worth noting here that these apps probably won't make you a ton of money and do take time, but could perhaps add $15 to $30 a month to your bottom line if you use them consistently. In this video, we'll tell you how to make money by downloading free apps. Stay with us till the end as we share with you a list of apps that enable you to make money. Rakuten. Formerly Ebates, Rakuten rewards you with cashback from shopping. More than 2,500 stores are partnered with this platform. Those stores pay Rakuten a commission for referrals, and Rakuten shares that commission with its users in the form of cashback. Earn cash rewards after buying from Amazon, Walmart, Kohl's, Macy's, eBay, Expedia, JCPenney, H&M, and countless other brands you're already familiar with. Join Rakuten today and get a $10 bonus after making qualifying purchases within 90 days of becoming a member. Swagbucks. Swagbucks offers reward points for shopping online, browsing the web, answering surveys, and watching entertaining videos. You can redeem Swagbucks points for gift cards or get cash back to your PayPal account. Swagbucks gives away more than 7,000 gift cards every day. They've paid out more than $410 million in rewards since the company was founded back in 2008. You can earn 1,000 SB points, $10 in value, if you sign up and make a qualifying purchase at a store featured in the Swagbucks shop. FOP. The FOP mobile app is an excellent way to make money by selling your photos and videos. Simply create a profile and start uploading your content to the app. When a person, brand, or agency buys a photo, you'll split the profits with FOP. Some photos sell for $5, while others sell in the $60 to $100 range. You'll need an active PayPal account to get paid for your work sold on FOP. Big brands like Bank of America, MasterCard, and We Are Social use FOP to buy content. Google Opinion Rewards. Want to get paid for taking surveys on your smartphone? Download Google Opinion Rewards to get started. The concept is very straightforward. Complete a short survey on a wide range of potential topics. It could be a hotel review, personal opinion, or satisfaction survey from a particular merchant. The surveys are short enough that you can take them while waiting in line for a cup of coffee. Payments are released as Google Play or PayPal credits. iPoll. If you like the idea of being paid to take surveys, the iPoll app is another top choice to consider. Similar to Google Option Rewards, all you have to do is answer brief questions about products and services that you're already using. You can earn gift cards for PayPal, the Apple App Store, and Amazon for your participation. Survey Junkie. If you like the idea of getting paid to give your opinion, the Survey Junkie app is another top choice to consider. Build a profile on the app so Survey Junkie can match you with the most relevant surveys to your lifestyle. Simply complete the surveys in your spare time to earn virtual rewards points. Redeem those points for gift cards at popular stores like Target or Amazon. Alternatively, you can cash out points via PayPal. OfferUp. The OfferUp app is perfect for selling your used stuff to people in your area. Think of this app as a hybrid between Craigslist and eBay. Simply upload some pictures, a description, and set your price. Everything from appliances to clothing and cars is available on OfferUp. You could also use OfferUp to buy items for cheap and then flip them to turn a profit. Acorns. Acorns puts your money to work by investing it. The app automatically rounds up your spare change from credit card purchases and deposits it into an investment account. For example, let's say you spend $9.50 at lunch. Acorns rounds it up to $10 and invests 50 cents. It's a great opportunity for those of you who want to start investing but don't have large sums of money to do so. Just answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and Acorns will recommend a portfolio that fits your needs. Sweatcoin. Want to get paid for walking? Sweatcoin is the perfect money-making app for you. All you need to do is keep Sweatcoin running on the background of your phone at all times. The app will automatically track your steps. Every 1,000 steps rewards you with 0.95 Sweatcoins. Sweatcoins can't be withdrawn as cash. However, you can redeem them for goods and services. Some featured examples include athletic wear, audiobooks, headphones, and meditation. More than 300 brands have partnered with Sweatcoin. Slidejoy. We're constantly exposed to digital advertisements on a daily basis. Wouldn't it be great if you could get paid for seeing ads? Slidejoy makes that possible. The app adds advertisements to your phone's lock screen. Each time you check your phone, you'll see a new ad or promotion. Slide left to learn more information about the ad. Swipe up to view another one, or slide right to access your home screen. Slidejoy is only available for Android users. You can cash out rewards via PayPal. MyPoints. MyPoints is another cashback rewards app similar to Rakuten and Swagbucks. You'll earn rewards in the form of points for purchases at thousands of stores. Examples of brands on the MyPoints program include Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, Macy's, Target, and Groupon. Redeem points for gift cards or transfer the funds as cash to your PayPal account. New MyPoints members get a $10 welcome bonus in the form of an Amazon gift card or Visa gift card. Just make a qualifying purchase to get your bonus. Mobi. Mobi is a secret shopper app. It rewards you with points for completing missions at various stores. It could be anything from Macy's to Domino's. Each mission has a set of tasks for you to complete. You'll be rewarded for things like answering survey questions and taking photographs inside the store. Mobi lets you redeem those points for gift cards, including gift cards to Amazon. It takes up to 48 hours to redeem your rewards. Taskrabbit. Taskrabbit is another app that requires a little bit more work to make some money. But with that said, the extra effort usually results in higher pay. Common tasks like moving furniture, mounting a TV, household cleaning, and IKEA assembly. Create a profile on Taskrabbit to highlight your featured skills. You can even set your own rates for particular jobs. The more tasks you complete, the better choice you have of getting selected for a task in the future. People seeking services will review your profile before accepting you to do a job. If you've got the time to do some physical labor, download the Taskrabbit app to make money. Uber. Make your own hours and use your own car. Just turn on the Uber app whenever you want to start working. Depending on your area, Uber generally has guaranteed earnings promotions for new drivers. You can also be rewarded with bonuses for working certain hours and getting tipped by customers as well. If you want to make money with Uber, but don't want strangers in your car, consider becoming a food delivery driver for Uber Eats. Lyft. Like Uber, Lyft is another popular ride-sharing app. In most instances, the pay and job description is pretty comparable to Uber. I know lots of people who sign up for both and switch between the two on a regular basis. Depending on your city, you might learn that Lyft is more popular for riders in the area. If you don't have a car, Lyft can help you get one through one of their express drive partners. The car payment comes with insurance, unlimited miles, and maintenance included. Ibotta. The Ibotta app puts a unique twist on cashback rewards. You can pay for purchases using the Ibotta app in physical stores as well. You'll also be able to upload receipts to get rewarded. You can use it at national brands like Walgreens, Target, Walmart, Gap, Domino's, and Booking.com. To date, Ibotta has paid out more than $682 million to users. Ibotta is offering a $20 welcome bonus to new app users who make a qualifying purchase. Paribus. Paribus finds you refunds from purchases that you've already made. If one of your purchases goes on sale after you buy it, Paribus refunds you for the difference. You can also get compensated for late deliveries from online orders. Paribus currently monitors more than 25 major retailers. Examples include Best Buy, Home Depot, Target, and Amazon. The Paribus app is 100% free. They don't take a commission of the savings, charge a monthly fee, or surprise you with any hidden charges. Masari. Masari is a marketplace app for selling goods. It's similar to OfferUp, but there's no option for in-person meetups. You can start listing items within minutes of downloading the app. Just upload pictures, add a description, and set your own prices. Masari provides you with printable shipping labels via email. Popular products sold on Masari include headphones, tablets, speakers, handbags, and clothing. There is no fee for using Masari. The app takes a 10% commission on all completed sales, so just keep that in mind when you're setting prices. Drop. More than 3 million people are currently using the Drop app. Like many other money-making apps on our list, you'll get rewarded for shopping. Each time you shop using Drop, you'll get rewarded with points. Drop won't give you cash, but you can redeem those points for gift cards at places like Amazon, Starbucks, and Netflix. We hope you liked the video. While you're still here, go ahead and click on one of the 2 videos on your screen. See you there!